In this quick video, I will show you how you can choose the focus point on your Canon 6D Mark II or pretty much any Canon camera that is a similar professional camera. So in the settings, since this is a touchscreen, I will show it on a touchscreen, but if you don't have a touchscreen on your camera, just use the wheel to go to this setting. So this setting here allows you to pick from multiple ways how you want your camera to behave in terms of where it should autofocus on. So in this particular setting, you can use the wheel to have different options available to you. So you can have an auto selection that allows camera, basically it picks and chooses where it wants autofocus to be. Then you can pick a specific spot. You can also do a manual selection that basically says that you can choose the area where it wants to focus instead of a single point maybe. And then you can also select a zone. And let's see, for example, if we select a large zone. And here you can see how the options look further down. You can basically choose, okay, if I wanted the camera more to focus on the right side of the picture or the frame, in the center, or on the left side. So you can choose these options based on your specific needs and how you like to shoot pictures. For me personally, I'm more like picking one single point in the center, and then I press the shutter to get my autofocus on,